Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Visual Studio Code and signing into Settings Sync so your preferences travel with you. Once done, open the project folder rather than single files to preserve workspace features like tasks and launch configs. You should install a language extension, a debugger, and Git support right away. These let you write, test, and version control within one app. Make sure to set a comfortable color theme and font size so focus and readability are immediate. You now configure editor behavior. Key bindings that speed typing, format on save so code stays consistent, and a preferred formatter like Prettier. Once configured, create tasks. JSON to automate builds and launch. JSON so debugging starts with one click. This reduces context switches. Use the integrated terminal and split editors to run commands and compare files side by side. As you code, use IntelliSense suggestions and peak definitions to understand unfamiliar APIs without leaving the editor. You finish by running and debugging your app. Set breakpoints, step through code, and add expressions to watch to inspect values. Make sure to commit often using the source control pane and push your branch to keep backups and collaborate. Once tests pass, use the command palette to run final tasks like lint and build. If something goes wrong, reload the window first. If issues persist, disable recently added extensions to find conflicts, then restart to restore a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.